And we are engaging in this reflection, in this prayer moment, in a specific context in our society and also the region, the Asian region, and the worldwide events. Closer to home, we have the unfortunate situation in Marawi. And the number of internally displaced people, internal refugees, spilling over into Iligan, Cagayan de Oro. And this morning, I saw a report that some of the refugees have already reached Cebu, seeking refuge among their relatives. And still closer to us here in Metro Manila, 2 days ago, the event in Resorts World. Still clouded in mystery. But all of these events lead us to ask, what has happened to humanity? For us Filipinos, nasaan na ang pagiging tao at pagpapakatao? Uso pa ba yan? Pati ba ang pagpapakatao ay itinapon na kasama ng pagtapon ng iba pang mga values? Sa ngalan ba ng moderno na pati ba ang pagpapakatao at pakikipagkapwa-tao ay wala ng silbi? We could not believe that this could happen. How could it be possible for human beings to hurt other human beings? Those who have not done me anything wrong, those who do not know me, those who I do not know. Could this be possible? And events like these sow seeds of distrust, division, further biases and prejudices.